We are photo walking today in the city of Riverside with my friend Josh. This is what, the most popular event of the year in Riverside, right?
Definitely the most popular event of the year in Riverside.
And why?
Because there's like a million lights all around this historic hotel.
And we're going to show you some of the best areas for photos, give you some photo tips, and just have some fun, right?
Absolutely, let's do it.
The Mission Inn is the center of the Festival of Lights. It's in the heart of town on Mission Inn Avenue, and it can continue down Main Street with pavilions and snack areas that end near City Hall. You've been at the Festival of Lights for years. Why is it such a big deal?
I mean, they just go all out like every single year. So for me, it's just so much fun to get in the Christmas spirit by coming down here, seeing the lights turn on, and it lasts for like an entire month. So you can come back here multiple times and see different things and experience it in different ways. But for me, it means Christmas. So like I love coming down here and being able to see it, and every year, even if it's relatively the same, you know? So this is the first spot with the Mission Inn and the arch right here. It's incredible.
What's incredible about it?
Look at all these lights. How do you beat this? So pretty. Yeah, so when we walk through this main walkway with the arch, that's definitely the most popular place for photos. It's beautiful. This is the second location that I was talking about. It's an arch with all of these different lights. So it's really good, probably your selfie or your family photo spot would be right here.
Just on cue, it was perfect.
I know, that worked out good. Checking out these lights, super cool.
Okay, so we're going to do a selfie right here under the arch. I'm holding one camera, Josh is holding the other. Here we go, hey!
Look at that, pretty good.
Okay, so you've seen this effect in movies for years. It's called rack focus. Cinematographers have a lot of fun with lights and turning them into little circles. You've not been able to do that on the iPhone until now. Let me show you how. So you could do rack focus on your iPhone with an app called Filmic Pro. It's about $15 to buy. It's a really nice effect if you're making a video from the lights, and easy to insert and really easy to do. All you do is just sort of tap on that little square, and then the focus thing comes on and you just adjust it until you get it right. This is the Spectre app that records people and erases them from the image if you have people that get in your shot. But you really want to use it in a bright setting, because here it's just not doing it. We got a lot of ghosting going on. It's a cool idea, and Apple called it the app of the year, but you're going to want it in bright light.
How you doing today, dear?
Best time to come would be any weekday, and then come before it gets dark, because then it's easier to find parking, less people, and then you can watch the lights turn on.
And as we found out, the optimum time would be 5 p.m. because that's your best light. You get a little bit of the daylight in there, and then you have the lights at the same time. That's what our shot looked beautiful.
It was awesome. It was so cool to see lights turn on. I'd never done that before, so definitely, if you can come on a weekday and before 5 and see the lights turn on, that's a pretty cool thing to do.
Yeah, and if you have nothing to do at 6:30 in the morning, come do a time lapse.
I haven't done that, but I'm excited to see yours.
Yeah. Tell everybody about your channel for people who haven't caught it. What's California Through My Lens all about?
Yeah, so California Through My Lens is a channel dedicated just to the state of California. Hiking, food, city guides, all that kind of stuff. We cover all of it. California is just full of amazing places to explore.
Yeah, speaking of exploring, Josh, as you know, the Mission Inn will not let people enter the lobby during the event, so I picked up some footage for us earlier in the day. Yeah, beyond the Festival Lights, I got a kick out of the Presidential Lounge, which is sort of the centerpiece of the Mission Inn, honoring all those former presidents who've either visited or stayed at the hotel.
Oh! What? That was awesome.
That's a wrap from the Festival of Lights. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please share, please comment. Please check out Josh's channel, California Through My Lens. Please subscribe to Photowalks as well. Josh, give him a spiel.
Yeah, I love this guy's channel, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's good videos.
As well, great stuff all about California. He gets much wider than I do. He's all over California.
All over California, yep.
Stay tuned and check out Josh's video from the Festival of Lights. A lot more history and more things to do in Riverside, and you'll see some more Photowalk videos as well. Thanks again for watching.